Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge 40 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password added to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by going into Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Then tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Finally, just click on one of your passwords that you wish to check and enter your current login method. Now just tap on this little eye icon next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!